This is Ryan Estrada, General Manager of Ronin. Today I want to talk about our Perfect Burn rope burning tip that we're now offering. Basically, it works with just about any universal soldering iron. You can buy the tip separately, or you can buy the soldering iron kit along with the tip directly from Ronin or one of our distributors. So basically how it works is you want to put on your battery, you charge it up, turn it on for about 90 seconds, and you'll have your clean burnt end. We're going to use a rope today that has a Kevlar sheath, so it's one of the hardest to burn since it is burn resistant. Basically what you want to do is stick the rope burning tip onto the end of the rope, and you'll push it on for about 20 to 30 seconds. And what you'll start to notice is a little bit of bubbling from the inner core. When you see that, you'll go ahead and stop, put it down, grab a rag, and you'll want to start coning the end of the rope. And all we're doing here is just creating a good burn tip. And we'll hit it one more time, trying to get all the outside fibers inside the rope tip. And we'll hit it for another 20 to 30 seconds. And once you see a little bit of bubbling coming out, we'll drop it down, do the same thing again, the outside of the rope. And you can see almost all the inner core is gone, so I'm gonna hit it one more time. And probably only about 10-15 seconds this round, just to finish it off. Okay, and what you notice is the inner core is now gone, so this is perfect and safe for the Ronin system.